Checking the video connection, everything seems to be fine. Good evening. Hey guys, I'm Nikhil and welcome to another live session. Chashme pehnu ki nahi pehnu? Not quite sure. Anyway, we'll figure this out. As we go along, today we're going to be having a chat with some of my friends. Sapna's going to be here. Maybe Kevin is going to be here as well if he's not hungover or sleep deprived because abhi flight se utra hai. And he came via Delhi where he met Hamid. And then of course we've got Samruddhi as well. And Trevon. And maybe we'll have some of the wild villain contestants as well who'll join us and celebrate this live event. I've got so many interesting questions. Seriously, मैंने पिछला वाला जो एपिसोड है स्प्लिट्सविला का, I haven't seen that one, but I watched the last Wild Villa episode. और उस एपिसोड को मैंने actually देखा नहीं था क्योंकि वो it happened behind closed doors. All the massaging happened behind closed doors. So I have no idea what actually happened till I watched the episode, and it was like, some very interesting things have happened over here, and some very naughty things as well. So first, let's try and add on a few people. Also, अरे ये लड़की भी यहीं पे है. Listen, we'll try and do that. Generally speaking, I don't know why people are not getting connected. This is one really annoying aspect of okay, let me see if I can add Samruddhi first. For some reason, nobody seems to be getting added on. Is this some new bug?
Hi.
Oh, hello. Hello.
What's up?
How are you doing?
I am doing really great. What about you?
Not too bad. Which is like when I'm doing my lives.
I just had chai like half an hour ago.
Excellent.
So what's up?
Since we're talking about chai, let's talk about how do you like your chai?
I like my chai. Like I like a dark. Like I like milk in it, but then I like the darker version of chai. Like people like to put a lot of milk in it, so I like it like
You
neutral.
like your chai the way you like your men, tall, dark, and handsome?
Yeah, yes, for sure. I'm just gonna put a little filter because I really look ugly.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Don't say that. Don't need filters in life. Last time we did this live, we just went crazy doing filters. Everybody was adding filters. Sapna was adding filters, Kevin was adding filters, and Piyush was adding filters.
It's because everybody is so insecure about how they look all the time, and filter just makes your life so much easier.
The big pimple.
I have two, but then they're not visible right now.
I woke up in the morning and my daughter says, Papa, you have a pimple. I'm like, oh yeah. She's like, Papa, you're not drinking enough water. I'm like, okay.
Oh God, talking about water, I literally drink like hardly 3 to 4 glasses of water a day. And it's such a big task to, always reminding yourself to drink a lot of water, but then it's just like so difficult. That's one of the most difficult tasks, I feel.
I'm trying to add Trevon and Sapna, but Trevon for some reason...
I just texted him. I don't know if he's busy or something.
He's always like, he's super busy all the time.
All the time.
Okay, so I'm adding Sapna. But you know, Samriddhi, I want to ask you first, okay? Task got explained to you. A lot of people haven't watched Wild Villa, so they may not know what's happening. कि Wild Villa में आपको एक task दिया गया था, ये massage task था. Task का एक नाम था. I don't know who came up with that name, but it was happy ending. And it was very simple. The boys had to massage the girls had to massage the boys, and the point system was very simple, which is that the girls had to rate the boys on how good a massage they gave.
Yeah.
And the boys had to rate the girls, but the girls actually had to give the boys a bad massage. So
bad
whoever
massage,
the worst massage was going to win amongst the girls.
Yeah.
So when that twist got explained to you, what did you think?
To be very honest, I was literally panicking because I am a person who wouldn't do something bad to anybody if you'd watch my splits journey also. And it was like Wild Villa was actually so wild. I'll tell you something, to be very honest. I found out that Wild Villa was much more of it was very different. It was risky, and I love taking risks. And I kind of enjoyed Wild Villa more than Splits because it was just wild.
Which
Hi,
part of
Piyush.
Wild Villa did you enjoy? Did you enjoy this part?
Hi, Sanvi.
Yeah,
Tall, dark, and
obviously.
handsome.
Hi,
Oh
Nikhil.
God. I'm just gonna switch on the AC. I'm sweating. One
पीयूष
second.
के
I'll just
आते
be.
ही
हाँ
पीयूष
यार.
के पसीना छूटना शुरू हो गए.
Oh
क्या
God.
बात है.
Trivon is watching this live. He'll kill me.
I was trying to add Sapna. Sapna can't get added on for some reason. There's so much to ask Sapna. Yeah. Sapna is like a voice of truth.
Yeah.
She's the one
It
who's...
started with Sapna. Wild Villa started with Sapna. Like, it's that way.
It
Hi,
is.
Piyush. How are you?
Hi, Samruddhi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Samruddhi, how was
What's
the
up?
massage? How was the
Oh
massage?
God, it was so
Yes.
good.
How was the massage? Tell me
I
about it.
so
tried my
good.
level best.
I actually want to know.
Hi,
I want to know
Wait.
Yeah.
what is going through your mind at this time.
What kind of position is that? Wait.
What is
is
going
that
through your
happening?
mind?
Oh
Sapna.
God.
Sorry, yaar. Just
I
Let me-
was
let me
having
just put this in.
orgasms.
Look at your
Massage
face. Look at your face.
orgasms. I don't know if that's even a thing.
Look at Piyush's face.
I
Piyush, why the fuck are you so
I'm wearing
horny
the
all
same
the
pieces, by
time?
the way.
Why are you horny all
Sapna.
the time, Piyush?
What the fuck?
पीयूष
Oh
पीयूष एक बड़ी
God.
लुच्ची सी स्माइल लेता है पीयूष एक बहुत लुच्ची सी स्माइल लेता है ठीक है ये देखो हरामी वाली स्माइल है
Are you
इसकी, ये
serious?
हरामी वाली
Abhi,
और लड़कियां पट
Look at-
जाती है इससे
look at Samriddhi. Samriddhi's eyes are closed, like fully closed. She's like,
समृद्धि
I was
समृद्धि is like
enjoying it so
वो नहीं होती
much.
listen अरे I remember मतलब एकदम से I just felt like वो जो लोग नहीं होते जो बाबा
Look at that.
जी के पास जाते हैं आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए और चुपचाप जाके बैठ जाते हैं Samruddhi is sitting like that and this Baba ji is fucking trying to do weird things with her.
Someone commented Sapna
Oh
destroyed
God.
Piyush.
No,
Sapna,
What?
yaar,
What?
I miss you in Wild Villa. Come back.
Maybe I'll be back just this Saturday.
You never know.
Sapna, don't
You never
come
know.
back.
Listen,
I'll
We
come.
never know what is gonna
Very
happen.
true.
if you watch the promo for next week, मैंने कहा कि कुछ खुशखबरी है कि यहाँ से 2 लोग अभी वाइल्ड विला
Splitsvilla जाएंगे.
जाने वाले हैं. मगर मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि वहां से जो ट्रैफिक अंदर की तरफ आ रहा है वो एक नो एंट्री बन गई है. There are still going to be
कोई
some
भी आ
people
सकता है.
coming to Wild.
Yes. Oh God.
शांति.
Yeah, but ये challenge तो बहुत interesting है यार. This challenge.
Sapna, tell me honestly.
है
Sapna,
यार.
listen. What do you think? Splitsvilla के tasks ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे या Wild Villa के? Wild
Without
Villa,
a
man,
doubt.
it's so good. I mean, it just gives you
It's
an
just
adrenaline
wild.
rush.
That's all it is.
Yeah, man, it's wild. It's really wild. And
Look,
there's
पीयूष
no
the
को
other
मसाज
restrictions.
कैसे करता है पीयूष? मसूस बन जाएगा अब तो प्रोफेशनल.
वो तो
Professional guitar player
अर्जुन
से
है.
professional masseuse ये तो
Guitar.
professionally
Obviously
trained
और जो
बहुत कुछ करवा
गिटारिस्ट
रहा है.
उनकी फिंगर्स तो वैसे ही बहुत ज्यादा मैजिकल होती है, so you never know.
सर प्रोफेशनल मसूस तो अर्जुन है.
Yeah, but
He's
you
a
know,
professional
Sapna, what is-
guitarist.
I'll tell you something. As a host, what I found very interesting is that no matter how many girls Piyush flipped, right?
Not that word, sir.
a lot of them would keep coming back. So everybody else keep
Yeah.
quiet. Sapna, आप बताओ क्योंकि आप पीयूष के दोस्त हो. What is this magic that Piyush has in Wild Villa? Explain.
Explain, Sapna.
Piyush has a very, interesting aura, I'll say. ऊपर से उसको magic tricks भी आती है. ठीक है, plus he's a guitarist, so he's good with his fingers, and a lot of girls like that. As simple as that.
Fingers.
Sorry, yaar.
Savage, bro.
I really need to keep a filter. Oh God, someone just came. Shit, someone recognized me. I think.
That was actually my eyes falling out of my head. That wasn't thyroid.
Yeah.
So
Can I just have a pic with you? Please? Yeah. See, that's
Yeah, hi.
Nikhil. That's
Hi. How are you? Keep your mask on. Keep your mask
keep
on.
your mask. Sure.
Where is your
Sorry.
mask?
I was sitting over here all alone. I swear, Nikhil. I'm not kidding. Okay, I just have to go. Wait a minute then. You guys carry on.
Yeah.
Just hold on a minute. I'm gonna take a picture with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Carry on. Samriddhi,
Yeah.
whatever you do, don't give away who gave the best massage because we haven't revealed that on the show as yet.
Definitely won't.
But what I was about to tell Sapna is कि मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझसे कहा कि what was most refreshing about Wild Villa is that on Splitsvilla a lot of the contestants are like हाँ मैंने ये किया मैंने वो किया और Wild Villa आते ही all the language started to flow.
Yeah.
Dude,
The
Wild Villa
B's
में
and
कोई
the M's
limits
and the
नहीं है
C's
ना.
just
That's
comes
why.
out. Like everybody's all like this in Splitsvilla, but on Wild Villa it's like yeah.
I am a live example, Nikhil. Like, you know what? I was so quiet. I was this different version of myself, like so quiet all the time, not doing anything, not into fights, nothing. But in Wild Villa, it literally changed everything. It's actually because you have a lot of comfort when you come to Wild Villa. There's a different, different comfort. There's different vibe.
हम
And it's
बहुत
wild.
कंफर्टेबल फील कराते थे सब
बहुत
लड़कियों
ज़्यादा
को,
comfortable, and it's like really amazing.
पीयूष कुछ ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल करा देता है फील. This is the reason.
सारी
Yeah.
लड़कियों को पीयूष what the hell?
Nikhil, you just got it.
This
And
is the
another
Piyush
thing-
magic.
When Piyush sang for me
Magic in
in the
that.
first meet,
on the first day.
I was
Yeah.
like, wow, I'm so special. This guy is singing for me. As soon as I went inside and I told these people that, Piyush sang for me and stuff, they were like, huh? हमारे लिए भी किया है. And I was like, I hate this.
And by the way, did you also compare notes कि तेरे लिए ये क्या है? मेरे लिए भी किया, तेरे लिए ये क्या है? ये भी क्या? अरे ये
Yes.
तो उसने मेरे लिए नहीं किया है. Why did he do?
It was so frustrating. I was like, I'm gonna kill this guy.
Piyush,
But
Hi, guys,
still, she
I'm
was
back.
convinced.
which
Yeah.
girl did you enjoy giving a massage to the most?
Samruddhi.
Sala.
She's sitting in front of you.
No, I'll be honest.
Yeah, that can.
Okay, ठीक है. Tell me
Because-
why.
Because मैंने समृद्धि को एक जगह मसाज नहीं दी थी. I gave her neck massage. I gave her ear massage. So it was fun.
You're
And ऊपर से
सारे बता कहाँ दीजिए. सारे बता. सारे बता.
वो मसाज रूम में बस 2 जगह ही दी थी.
क्यों बाकियों को एक सेकंड वैसे you just said कि मैंने समृद्धि को हर जगह दिया और गिनाया सिर्फ
बहुत सारी जगह. अरे
what
हर
is
जगह
this,
नहीं बोला
brother?
मैंने.
What is
सपना उसको पूछ सब लोगों को किधर किधर दिया उसने. मुझे ही नहीं दिया उसने.
बाकियों को
जैसे
किधर
मेरे
किधर
लिए
दिया
वो
वो?
गाना नहीं गाया था.
सबके पैरों पर मसाज दिए मैंने. सबके
सबके पैरों पे.
सबके एक्सेप्ट
पैरों में गिरने को क्यों जाते हैं सबके पर?
अरे चैलेंज था कि गिरने क्या, उसमें मसाज ही करी है ना. कौन सा मैं ऐसे माथा टेक रहा था.
मुझे लगा था कि सबसे ज्यादा इसको मजा आएगा आजमा के साथ.
Oh, how was Azma? I also want to know.
मैं याद नहीं
Asma,
करना. I don't
Asma
know
holds a very
that.
special place in Piyush's heart.
उस दिन तो
Yeah,
इतना
definitely.
एक सेकंड मैंने वाइल्ड विला का वो एपिसोड देखा था जब इन दोनों का डेट था. तब तो बड़ा स्वीटी हो रहा था. अब समृद्धि चेंज हो गया. नाइस.
Dude, आजमा के साथ मेरा कुछ भी नहीं था पहले दिन से. It was
यही
just
कुछ
कि वो
qualities
मैंने
है
उसके ऊपर
that
पानी
we are
डाल दिया था,
looking
तो मैं
for.
थोड़ा ऐसे compensate करने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
Piyush
सपना
is
तू
so
चुप हो
cute.
जा. मैं शुरू हो गया ना. मेरे पास भी 50 पॉइंट्स है तेरे अगेंस्ट.
अच्छा
I
मत
am
करना, मैंने
all
काट
yours.
लूंगी.
You all guys can fight. I like
बता
watching
बता
this.
कितने पॉइंट्स है तू भी बताइयो.
ओके. कल ना सर मैं YouTube पर एक वीडियो देख रहा था. उसमें सपना और ध्रुव का वो था कि आई गेस दोनों से क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे एंड वो बूट का वीडियो था. एंड उसमें जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन था सपना क्या था मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे आप.
तू चेक कर क्या दोबारा, मेरे को क्या मालूम.
What is Dhruv's? अरे क्या था वो. I forgot that.
और
What is
लुच्चे
Dhruv's
इंसान,
favorite?
तेरे दिमाग में कुछ ढंग का आता है कि नहीं?
What is Dhruv's favorite what?
अब
मुझे
निखिल को
सुनना
सब
है.
जानना रहेगा. अब निखिल को सब जानना रहेगा.
The
No, I
question was,
genuinely, I've missed this video. What is Dhruv's favorite what?
Good for you, Nikhil. You should have missed this.
Piyush, just send me the
someone
link.
just commented that, sir. The username is reply.us.
अरे
Someone
actually
just
he used to,
commented.
और ये आंसर सिर्फ मुझे नहीं पता है पीयूष, ट्रस्ट मी, ये विला में हर एक इंसान को पता है.
What the fuck? तू क्या डिक्लेयर कर रही है ध्रुव को?
I
पागल हो गई
think
है
I've
क्या?
started figuring it out right now.
So the
क्योंकि वो
question
सारा दिन
was,
ये चीज खुद ही चिल्ला चिल्ला के सबको बताता रहता था.
हाँ, I remember.
ये देख
I
समझी
know
को
what
पता
you're
है,
talking
तेरी वाली
about
को भी
now.
पता है, देख ले अब तू. मसाज इसको दे
तेरी
रहा है,
वाली को
पर
पता
किसी
है.
और के बारे में पता है, अब तू देख. तो मुझे लगा
I
था
feel
पीयूष
like I've
तेरा
left the
सच्चा प्यार
building. I
है
don't know
ही
what the heck's
नहीं.
going on in this chat anymore.
so
मुझे
the
सच में
question
लगा था
was,
कि
what is Dhruv's?
पीयूष में तेरा
Dhruv's
सच्चा प्यार
favorite
थी, मुझे
position.
लगा.
Yeah.
Dhruv's favorite position. Dhruv's favorite. Oh, okay.
And Dhruv was so confident कि सपना को पक्का पता होगा.
वहाँ पे सबको पता था, genuinely.
Okay, yeah. चल ध्रुव सबको बताता
They
रहता
used to
है.
वो
talk
भी
about
दूर से
it
मिला.
Dhruv
the
चिल्लाता
entire
रहता है.
day.
ध्रुव
What
हर
was the
चीज के.
answer to the question?
ये the thing is, Dhruv is very open about
I
everything. वो
know.
हर एक को
I'll tell
हर
you.
चीज जाके बताता है. हर
I'll tell
चीज,
you.
I mean, हर चीज.
सर वो लड़कों को भी बता देता है.
And even if you don't ask, imagine, ये मुझे अभी भी याद है, हम लोग एक दिन breakfast कर रहे थे, and these guys are having a discussion about something really disgusting. I can't even share it with you guys, and I had to literally to stand up and just leave the table because they were discussing. And Samruddhi, तू बताना जो dares वाली बात बताना ध्रुव की.
कौन सी dares वाली?
Would you rather वाली बताना. तेरा जो favorite game है वो.
कौन सी dares वाली?
ध्रुव जो situations
Would you
देता है.
rather? Would you rather
Oh
situation?
God. This
Okay, so
Dhruv.
Nikhil, let me tell you. Dhruv is like a pro in these games. He gives you like literally disgusting situations like, would you rather eat your boogers or your shit?
Yeah.
Look at
And,
Nikhil.
And this is
talk
and this
about
is
it
and this
every
is level
single
1,
day.
and he goes to a level 9,000. Now imagine.
I agree.
Why would you play a game like that when you have games like I would never ever? Or I have never ever. What? Like we're nice drinking games. What is this?
Chalo,
Sapna
anyway,
is
now I
getting
have to
pissed
really
half
go
the
because
time.
I'm traveling. I'm actually traveling. I was just coming from Manali, so मुझे पता है कि मेरा
I
live है.
can see the lovely trees behind you. Which part of the world are you in right now?
No, right now
Sapna,
I'm in
don't kill me.
Karnal. I reached Karnal. I'm going to Delhi.
Okay.
So I'm
Have a safe
traveling
trip.
since like
Sapna.
5 in the morning. I'm like so tired today.
You're
Sapna.
there for a shoot or something.
Obviously,
Yeah.
can't you see all the makeup
I
and
can't
the
tell you, Abhi. It's,
Yeah.
looking all like
Sapna.
Sapna's looking like
Don't
Sapna.
kill me.
Okay, Sapna, say bye.
Don't
Let me
kill
see
me.
if you can
Bye.
add.
Tell me
Trevor,
now, you
add
guys are
Trevor
gonna miss
now.
me.
Miss
What?
you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye,
We miss
Sapna.
you in Wild Villa. Come back soon. Come back and join
Come back
us.
soon.
Bring Dhruv with
We'll
you.
go to Splitsvilla, sir. Why should we call her back?
हाँ वो ये exchange program शुरू कर देते हैं. We'll send some people from here and then we'll try and get a few people to come from that side.
Yeah,
Let's see
man.
if Trayvon
Really
has
need it.
finally.
Hi, Samyukta. What's up?
Hi, Samyukta.
Hi, Samruddhi. What's up?
Trayvon. I actually have a lovely
Hi.
clip that I'm going to share. I think Shivam is watching this live. Shivam, if you're watching this live, I want to tell you that you have competition in Wild Villa. You're not the only share in Kerala. Piyush has delivered this wonderful share in Wild Villa, which I've got the clip for it. Hey, Trayvon.
Hi.
I'm going to play it tomorrow.
सर शिवम
Please
हैज
do.
दैट ऑरा कि वो स्प्लिट्सविला में था लेकिन वाइल्ड विला तक भी हमें ऐसे वाइब्स
हाँ,
आ रही
वो-
थी.
Am
बोलनी
I
पड़ेगी.
audible?
Shivam की vibes आ गई यहाँ पे.
Yeah,
Yes.
but
What's up?
You're jittering a little bit. How are you, man?
Good.
Your net sucks, dude.
Spending all
Like,
my
for
one second
real.
now.
Are you in Goa?
He
yeah,
said
it
no.
sucks. It still sucks.
Your
It
net
is
sucks, dude. Trevon.
Yeah, it's fine now. It's fine now, Trevon. Trevon says
Pretty
something.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this
So,
is
Trevon,
better, right?
Okay, this is great.
Hi,
Very
Nikhil.
important
What's
question
up?
for you, Trevon. How did you feel, like Dilse, when somebody got kicked out of Splitsvilla?
his neck.
How did I feel? How did I feel? How did I feel? What?
It sucked.
How did you feel? How do you feel in
Stuck.
your heart, in your mind, in your
How
soul?
did you feel when I left?
When what?
When I left.
Peter.
It was heartbreaking, but then it's Splitsvilla, so I couldn't like be about that mindset for too long. I had to realize that I have to go ahead. So yeah, it was like a speed.
Forget all that. Forget all that. What was more heartbreaking, Samriddhi leaving Splitsvilla or watching Samriddhi getting a massage from Piyush?
Watching it was harder because that was a terrible massage. I've given Samruddhi better.
There is a competition now to give Samriddhi a better massage.
Oh
Okay.
God! I don't believe you said that.
Have you actually seen the massage? Because now we'll deconstruct all the bad parts of it. Have you seen the episode?
I haven't seen
Have
it,
you?
but
Go on.
like I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it, but like these situations where it's a no contest. So I feel like I don't have to see it.
Whoa!
Oh
Shots fired!
God!
Shots fired!
Nikhil, you're not gonna ask me who gave
No,
you the
but
best
on
massage.
on a lighter note,
not do
I'm
that.
enjoying. I'm on a lighter note. I'm enjoying watching Wild Villa. I actually tune into Woot and watch Wild Villa religiously because some of the tasks, some of the competitions that you guys have, it's a lot of fun. I mean, I was on Splits. We had a lot of competition as well, but to watch stuff happening on an OTT platform where you have the liberty to do and say what you want, it's a different kind of feeling. Like it's very constricting on national television.
I'll be honest about this. Like the massages, this massage episode that just aired. This massage episode that just aired on Booth.
Yeah.
I don't think you could show it in this manner on television. And it's
On
not because
television,
it's
yeah,
vulgar,
exactly.
It's not because it's cringe. It's just that television has some rules. There was that one scene where Arjun put his nose in the oil and then rubbed his nose over Agriya's leg,
Yeah.
which is fine. Somebody's rubbing their nose on Agriya's leg, but I can guarantee you that would have not made television.
Yeah, very true.
But I like the part where Janvi threw oil on Piyush's face.
What the fuck? I saw this coming from Trevon. I saw this coming from Trevon. I knew Trevon would say that.
See,
No,
see
because
now Trevon
there- you
actually
ca-
talking Dil Ki Baat,
You can't even.
My girl got oil thrown on his face. Yes.
Wild Villa just loves playing police. So yeah.
I mean, from Piyush's the way he reacted, it seemed like he's probably used to it. Like I mean, he dodged it really quickly. So, I mean, man's got
You should have seen his
man's
face. Zoom
man's
kiya
got
उसने,
reflexes,
It
huh?
was like epic.
No, but
I'll be honest.
from a viewer's point standstill, I feel like Wild Wild has so much potential, so much potential. Like this is just the first season, and of course maybe Woot doesn't get as many people viewing it as MTV, but like going ahead, looking at how everything is probably going to shift to OTT platforms and to like the internet and streaming websites, I think there's so much potential for Wild Villa. It's
Yeah,
not
but
even funny, like
I think the
Yeah.
OTT rules are also changing slowly. So that might just throw a span in the works. In fact, I'll tell you this: when we were shooting this, when we were making Wild Villa, me, Manisha, who was the executive, I don't know her exact role, but she was the producer of the show, and Tarun, who was directing the show, and the three of us would talk, and we'd come up with Piyush. You don't know this, and somebody you don't know this either. We would come up with stuff, and at some point in time, Manisha and Tarun would go, maybe we shouldn't do this because that's too sort of out there. And I would
Yeah.
tell them that this year was probably the last year you could get away with doing this because by next year the rules might change.
Yeah.
Some of
Wasn't
the
there,
people that
Nikhil?
we
Wasn't there?
did with that
Was
thinking that this might be the only time that we would get to push the boundary a little bit.
Yeah.
wasn't there already
That
regulations?
we could kind of push things and test where the boundaries of making reality television work. That was
If I'm not,
very interesting, the
I
process
think
of making.
I think if I'm not mistaken, I think this year itself,
His
we
net.
already have the government. I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if
Yeah,
I'm not
we can.
mistaken, I think this year or last year itself, the government was already intervening and trying to censor OTT platforms already. So I feel like it's all.
It's going to happen. It's it's just the way legislation
But
and government consensus.
if that does happen, I'm glad that this lot is the first lot that got to break that barrier with like with Wild Villa. This
Yeah,
is the I
man.
like it.
No, I'm glad that I was a part of it because honestly, this reminded me of some of the MTV shows that we made when I first joined MTV, where there was no license, there was no, when I say there was no need to apply any license.
Yeah.
You could
Yeah.
do
I feel like
whatever you wanted to. You could do
also
however you wanted to do it.
I feel like personally I feel like the more restricted, the less chances you have of hosting it because I don't think you would want to host something that where you can't be yourself, right? Because I think you were Nikhil, you were you
Yeah, very
in
No,
Wild
true.
Villa.
no,
You got to be
not only from
you.
a hosting point of view. Back then on MTV we would do stuff, and sometimes it would come up on air, and then the custodians of the channel would go, "Oh my God, how could you do this?" And the producers would know that they would get into trouble. And you know what the standard response used to be? The standard response was, "But nobody told us we can't do it. Nobody said that we
Man,
can't, so we
literally.
did it." And they're like, "Ah!" A lot of crazy stuff got done back in the
Oh
day just
God.
because
But
the producers said, "अरे हमें तो किसी ने नहीं बताया, ये मत करो." तो कर दिया हमने.
Yeah.
But I've seen some good response for Wild Villa. I've seen people saying that we have some episodes in Splitsvilla where usually the crowd doesn't get what they want when they don't get enough people fighting or they don't get enough entertainment on one episode. I've seen people say upfront that this week Wild Villa's episode was more entertaining and was more
No,
better.
that's not
Yeah.
really, honestly speaking, I don't think that's a fair comparison because even though we shot the shows simultaneously, they're two very different shows.
Yeah.
And yes,
Very true.
all fans, whether it's Roadies or Splitsvilla fans, they like to see action. So if on an episode, and I remember this on Roadies, that there was one episode that dragged out an entire vote out because this was the vote out where Tara and Tarun were really upset that they weren't getting into Prince's gang. And a
Yeah.
lot of fans at that point in time said कि यार ये पूरा episode आपने निकाल दिया एक vote out में हम तो Roadies ये देखने के लिए नहीं आए थे. Because people want to see contestants, they want to see tasks being done, they want to see performances. So you'll always get that कि इस हफ्ते में ये था, इस हफ्ते में वो था. But it's not a fair comparison to make between the two shows because they're very different.
Very true, actually. Very
I
true.
agree.
I also think that if we
But
had as many as little chest hair on Wild Villa as we did on
Chest hair.
we would have done better.
I heard Piyush instead of Chester.
ऐसा नहीं
Maybe
लगता है
something
कि
wrong with
most of the
my
hair
mic or like.
removal cream on the shows was being used by the boys and not the girls.
I feel so.
Both on Wild Villa and Splitsvilla.
Yeah,
Boys,
man.
No, but I wanted to
everything completely soft.
I wanted to ask Piyush, like now that I mean y'all started the show with three guys, you, Devashish and Arjun. How does it feel knowing that I mean I think 2-3 episodes ago you all got to know that everybody who gets dumped from Splitsvilla will be coming to Wild Villa. So how does it feel knowing that you're going to get more competition in the guys department as well? Like what does it? Do you think your chances are less of coming to Splits or like what?
So, when we got to know that this is gonna happen, कि जो भी dump होगा, they are gonna come to Wild Villa. I remember, मैंने देवशीष और अर्जुन को एक रूम में बुलाया. मैंने बोला जिस दिन पहला स्प्लिट्सविला का लड़का आया, हम एक टीम है, वो एक अलग टीम है. मेरा पहला टारगेट वो रहने वाला है.
Ganging up and shit.
पहला
Wow.
टारगेट
Yeah, but
वो
the funny
रहने
thing
वाला
is, simultaneously, the boys from Splitsvilla did not know that there was a Wild Villa.
Yeah.
We kept that completely secret. So they thought that कि जब उनका डोम में जब vote out होता था, या डोम में जब
We
वो
are
dump
going
होते
home.
थे, they used to think that
Yeah.
at the end of the journey, somebody when you came and you put your mask down and you saw me standing there, what went through your head when I said welcome to your new home?
I'll tell you what happened. So when I got dumped, I was told that I have to go back home, and I was like very upset. That one night of mine was so horrible. And then the next day, I was told that there's this small shoot. You just have to come. Okay. I got dressed up and I was blindfolded. As soon as I removed it, and when I saw you standing there, and then the Wild Villa board, I was like, I can't explain that feeling. It was so good. I was like, I probably have a chance, and it was amazing. I also obviously did not have any idea that, there can be a possibility of me going back to Splits and all. But after knowing that, it was like, damn good. It was damn good.
Well, one of the ideas that we did have, which we weren't allowed to use was that the people who came from Wild Villa would
Yeah.
stand at the edge of the pool. They would take their blindfold off. They would see me, and I would push them into the pool.
Push. Oh God.
Oh,
that-
God.
That was what we wanted to do, but they said, "Nahi,
Thank
yaar,
God
bahut
that
zyada
did not
ho jayega."
happen.
Because that would be like a, you put a blindfold, you see Nikhil, and then Nikhil pushes into the pool.
Pushes
and he
you,
turns around,
damn.
Nikhil-
I bet this idea came from Nikhil and nobody else.
That would have been better,
But
you know,
Nikhil,
like a big
Nikhil
shocker.
actually did something like that. Like he actually.
Yeah,
did something
Asma
like
put
that.
water
That's gonna
on
be shown in
me.
the upcoming episode. I'm not telling what it was, but it's gonna be shown in the upcoming episode. Yeah.
we've done a few cool things. Okay, listen, I'm Piyush, I'm going to say bye to
Yeah,
you.
I'll go.
Kevin, if he's around. And,
Yeah.
or
Cool.
any of the other guys around. See you later.
Yeah, sure.
And
Bye.
looking
Bye,
forward to
Piyush.
Siobhan, bye, Samruddhi.
this week's
Bye,
episode
bye.
where the boys get massaged by the girls.
Guys.
I actually want to watch that episode. Okay, bye.
Okay, see you.
See you, Piyush.
Bye.
Okay, I'm going to check. Kevin said that maybe he'd be awake, but
He is.
I see him. He's just come back.
I
from,
bet it was your idea to push them
What's
into
up?
the pool.
What's up?
Hello. How
You're
you guys
back,
doing?
right?
I am back.
You're in Bombay
Yes.
right now.
Pune.
You're in Pune.
Pune, get
I
yourself
just
back in
got
Pune.
home. Yeah.
To answer your question, Ranvij and I used to meet every evening and we used to play frisbee and we used to talk about what's happening in Switzerland and Vivilla and we used to come up with these crazy ideas. And even it wasn't always possible to do as Splitzvilla. One of the ideas that he had was the opening of
You'll
the
have
show.
to repeat.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, no, continue.
Ranvij and I used to meet in the evenings to play like frisbee, go work on the gym and used to hang out together. And we used to talk about all the crazy things that we could do on Wild Villa, which of course he couldn't be a part of, but I could. And one of the
Yeah.
ideas in the early days was the opening of Wild Villa. He had suggested that I should actually come onto Wild Villa wearing like a bathrobe.
Oh, damn.
And I was like, that would be so cool. I mean, imagine
That would
if I walked into Wild
that
Villa
suit the event.
with a bottle of Jack Daniels, an open bathrobe, beach
Crazy.
shorts, and a cigar. Saying,
Crazy.
hey boys and girls, welcome to my side of town.
It would have been crazy, like,
And maybe a
seriously.
riding whip as well.
Why didn't you? Actually, you should have, you know.
So we actually, I wrote to my stylist because my stylist was somewhere else. I said, can we find like a Japanese kimono sort of
Like a
red and
dark
purple
blue.
bathrobe?
Oh, okay.
Not like a
Damn.
plain,
We
like
have,
a white bathrobe, but like a really, like I don't know what happened last night in Las Vegas kind of bathrobe.
Yeah.
Classic.
That was the idea.
Kevin, how's it going? How was your trip? Like, I think you just got back, right?
It was terrible. No, I didn't wake up, bro. I haven't slept yet. That's why I look so tired.
Actually, Kevin
It
looks so
was
tired
so-
because he's been binge watching Wild Villa, and he's like, I can't handle it.
No, I was going to.
Kevin,
But
are
I
you
couldn't.
watching Wild Villa?
I am, but not. I watched the last episode where you guys like massage and all. I should watch that. Now I'm gonna watch it now. But firstly,
Please do.
my
You're gonna
Wi-Fi is
flip.
not working because I haven't been here for a while, and I don't have a SIM card. I left my SIM card, so I didn't have net the whole time. So I was in trouble.
Oh
God.
man.
What has happened to
In
you,
Starbucks ka
bro?
Wi-Fi and airport.
These are
Wi-Fi.
Kevin. These are.
Why do all these
You,
technical fuck-ups
Exactly.
always
All
happen
such
with
things
you?
happen to him.
you can't make
I
this up
don't
also.
know.
It's just
a
Kevin
technical
things.
problem.
Yeah, man.
I just got back. Give me like a night. I will get back into it. My Wi-Fi will be there. I will look fresh. I'm looking dead right now. I haven't slept for 48 hours.
Oh,
It's
God.
crazy.
You were chilling, huh,
Smile,
last
you're
night?
back home, you're back in Pune. Amazing things are gonna happen.
That's good. Yes.
I've been
for sure.
hearing about some interesting things that are gonna happen. Kevin's fans are gonna be so happy if that happens.
If that happens, let's
I
see.
can tell people, okay, listen. You remember the last episode where Kevin shaved his beard, right?
Yeah.
Kevin actually got a call after that from a really big company and they want him to be the president of the company. It's ladyboy.com from Thailand. So
I knew some shit was
They
like that
looked
was
at
coming
Kevin and
up.
said, "What a sweet looking, and Kevin's accepted. So he's going to be the president of Ladyboy.com, and he's going to be giving
Have
out
you?
gold memberships
They want
to
him on all the
boys in
packaging as well.
Splitsvilla.
What's that company about?
Ladyboy.com. It does what it says on the tin, Samriddhi.
Okay, okay.
Oh man.
Oh God,
No,
I had
but
a lot of ice cream.
Where are you
me,
guys, everybody? So, Trevon, you're in Goa. Samruddhi's in
I'm
Pune.
still in Goa. Yeah.
Nikhil, you're in
Somebody
Bombay.
on Pune.
I'm in
Somebody
Mumbai.
on
Somebody wants to
Pune.
know if Trevinder
Yeah.
is your real name.
Trivinder.
Trevinder is the name
Oh
given to
my
me
God.
by
Sapna put that name.
Sapna. Is my God, man. Sapna has relentlessly called me Trevinder in all her VDs, and
Yeah,
my God, I won't be
Trevinder.
surprised. By the end of the show, I won't be surprised if people
You
actually
should just
change my
tattoo
name.
it on your
Was
left
actually
butt
doing
cheek
that.
now, man.
Yeah, at this rate, I might as well get a tattoo that says Trevinder, man.
You should.
I like how
Just say
active
my name, Trevinder.
I like how active Shivam is in the comment section, and
Yeah,
I can see
man. I'm reading his comments.
What
all
is
the
this?
love for Kevin. Like he said, 48 hours you didn't sleep because you were looking at my face, Kevin.
But you know
Yeah.
what, guys? One of the highlights for me watching this season has been just the chatter between Shivam and Kevin.
Yeah, man.
I mean,
Really.
yeah, for sure, Kevin's my friend, and I've known him longer. But I've enjoyed the chatter on both sides. As a viewer, I've really enjoyed the chat. I've really
Nikhil,
enjoyed
We all
the
did
facing
actually.
off between the two of them, and of course the Let's Do It gang and the Boom Bam gang. It's been really entertaining to watch.
yeah,
Yeah.
but Kevin, we're losing a bit of the cavalry every episode, man. I mean, every episode, one person from our group ends up like,
Yeah.
you know.
People.
Yeah, but Trevor,
Unfortunately.
it's only logical because if you watched Roadies as well, when we had the Lloyd days earlier, when it became really lopsided and had almost nobody on one side and too many people on the other side, is when you just get more and more people getting knocked out.
Yeah.
All these twists.
That's just how it goes. And then you've got to wait for the roll of the die to fall in your favor. And then when it does, make the most of it.
I'm quoting Shivam right now from the comment section. जहाँ केविन वहाँ मैं अपने को footage से मतलब है बस.
Both of you sound like left testicle and right testicle.
They always get it together. Kevin
Oh
managed
God.
to try.
But Kevin, I want your
the
thoughts.
rivalry is great to watch. The rivalry really is great to watch.
Yeah, it's damn
Kevin,
it.
what do you think? Kevin, what do you think if we had any of the Liberty, like of the Wild Villains in Splitsvilla? How do you think the show would be?
If we had a rivalry between Splitsvilla and
No. I'm saying if we had as much liberty as the Wild Villains have in Wildvilla. If we had it in Splitsvilla,
bro.
It would be a whole.
If I'm not wrong,
it would be a whole.
Nikhil, if I'm not wrong, I think I saw
There has
champagne
been-
in like.
Said by both sides, not just that, but both sides. That
It
it
would have
was
been
just like
crazy,
every time we
man.
said it,
The kind of liberties that were allowed in the making of the show.
yeah,
If you could bring that to Splitsvilla,
massage and do all that. And
it would be.
There was this one season that I still one of my favorites. I think it's
Nikki
season
would be
2.
the highlight of the season.
I think she would.
What?
But yeah, Nikhil, there was this one season I think you hosted
Not
in.
Nikki. Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking about Nikhil. Nikhil, there was this one episode, one season that you hosted. You hosted a couple, but I think it was season 2 in particular, Splitsvilla. Do you recall any of the things that happened in season 2?
Season 2 was Siddharth.
A very old, yeah. One of my favorite seasons till date. I feel like the stuff they did
Siddharth,
back
Sakshi,
then.
Mohit and Joanna.
Yeah, I think that was one of my favorite seasons. Like I feel like the stuff they did back then, it was like
So
they didn't have the
here's what's
internet.
interesting. जो लोग रियलिटी शोज देखते हैं ना, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि जब शोज रिपीट होते हैं, when you watch Big Boss over and over again, when you watch Roadies again and again, the new contestants who come in sort of know what's going to happen because they've seen the show before.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
With
to a
them,
certain
it
extent,
wasn't.
they come prepared. With Wild Villa, there's no preparation because nobody knows. Nobody's seen
Very
this
true.
before.
Very
And the
true.
second season
Exactly.
of Splitsvilla, what you're talking about, was the first time. The first season had 2 boys and a lot of girls.
Yeah, it
The
was like The
second season
Bachelor.
of Splitsvilla were equal number of boys and girls. So nobody actually knew what was
Correct,
going to
correct.
happen, what are the twists, what are the turns, how the
It
eliminations were going to happen.
was
It was
Yeah.
super
very
interesting.
fresh,
I
and
loved it.
that makes for more interesting
I still
action,
remember
gameplay, and content as well.
I still remember you would end every dome session with the tagline of that season. You would be like, "This is Splitsvilla, where love is war," and it was so good. Like back then, it was such a,
Oh yeah.
it was a good line. It was a good
He
line to
doesn't
end the
remember,
whole
it
show.
seems. Do you remember,
He
Nikhil?
wouldn't because you probably know you hosted like maybe 2, 3 seasons after
So
that.
many.
You hosted quite a
The
few seasons
tagline,
after that as well.
a lot of the taglines would happen automatically. एक बात तो मैं बताना भूल ही गया was something that just happened automatically because I would genuinely forget to tell people things.
Oh
So
God.
it would just happen that way. And then keep
How
your
is
friends
it?
close to me, enemies closer.
Yeah.
Can I
What was
ask you
another day?
something?
Yes.
How is hosting for you? Like, what is the most difficult part when you have to host a show?
The hosting is easy. Staying one step ahead. You have to understand one thing. When we're making the show,
Yeah.
while the contestants are contesting against each other,
Yeah.
the makers of the show are staying one step ahead of the contestants.
Yeah, right.
So
Yeah.
being in that frame of mind where you're trying to outthink the contestants without them knowing that you're thinking what they're thinking and outthinking
Yeah.
them is the most interesting
Yeah.
part of making the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, very true. Kevin, do you
And I think it takes some.
relate to this? We used to like
Oh,
make such good ass plans and then it used to turn like totally
There
opposite.
are actually,
It used
there are
to
actually three,
screw.
there are 3
Your
sides
head.
over here. There's the Let's Do It gang, like in Splitsvilla. There's
Yeah.
the Let's Do It gang. There's the Boom Bam gang. And there's the game.
Yeah.
The Boom
Very
Bam gang
true.
are going against each other and the game is going against the both of you as well. And you're going against the game as well. So there's this
Yeah,
constant
man. Very
push and pull
true.
that's happening, which is what makes it
Assumptions.
so
I'm
unpredictable.
I'm so glad that this is out. Like, I mean, we can talk about this. Like, this was a big part of it. It was a huge part of the whole process.
Being the game or being a part of the game is easier when people haven't seen the show. When people don't know कि इसके बाद क्या होता है कि wild card के contestants आएंगे या एक elimination होगा या vote out होगा या internal vote out होगा. You know, like now if you've seen Roadies, they know कि there are all of these different scenarios that happen. You know, double vote out, triple vote out,
Yeah,
internal vote out.
yeah,
These people come in.
yeah.
So you kind of know. If you don't know and it happens, it's that much more interesting for
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah, exactly. So in Wild Villa, it's just it's like an elimination itself, right? There's no dumping and stuff like that, right?
No,
It's
no.
just
It's
like-
performance.
There was one. It's all performance based. It's all performance based, but there was
But
one elimination task where the person who
Okay.
came last got eliminated. So that person, Rashmi, doesn't have a
Rashmi.
chance to fight to get back to Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
Correct. So
But
while making the
elimination
show,
was also
while
like, sorry.
yeah, I just have a like while coming up with the concept of Wild Villa, was it already pre-thought that like, listen, we don't want it to be along the lines of okay, there should be an ideal match or there should be a king and queen and like there should be couples and one couple should get the power. Like, was it already
So-
pre-decided that let's
Hey,
do it
Bhavana,
differently?
When did you guys get to Kerala? On which date do you remember? For your quarantine. You were quarantined for 5 days, right?
20th.
28 Jan.
20th
20th of
Jan,
Jan?
yeah. No, 21st. We flew on
21st
21st.
of Jan?
21st of Jan.
The first call that I got for Wild Villa was on the 20th of Jan.
Oh,
We were
No,
doing the show and we want you
no
to come
way.
and work on it. And from there was when nobody knew. We didn't have a camera team. We didn't have a crew. We didn't have any
Oh, God.
creatives. We didn't have anything. So we kind of landed in Kerala and made the show on the go, which is what was so exciting about it. Because we were making it based on what was happening around us, based on what was available for us to make with the tasks and the challenges.
It was smooth, but like it was so smooth. Didn't feel like that at all.
If
It didn't look
tell
like you
some of
were
the
called in
challenges
last
that we
minute.
came up with because we were doing it. I mean, आप लोग तो हंस पड़ोगे, मैं बोल नहीं सकता हूँ because some of them are like कुछ नहीं है ना, तो चलो इसके साथ एक challenge बनाते हैं.
Oh,
And we were
God.
doing stuff like that. It was like crazy. in the early days. Then we settled into it after the first week or so, and things got a little more settled and things got better. But in the beginning, it was just like,
I have
क्या करेंगे? ऐसे करेंगे? नहीं, वैसे करते हैं? नहीं, क्या करें? It was
yes,
wild.
Piyush also in the comment section is like they gave us just 1 day for packing.
Yeah,
They
no,
gave
It
us
was
I
one
had
day.
really
a
that.
couple of days though.
And the reason I came a few days late was because I was just recovering from COVID and I hadn't got my negative test as yet. So I was, after I heard about Wild Villa on the 20th, I did a test on the 21st, 22nd, 23rd. I got my negative on the 23rd and then flew out on the 24th to come to
But
Kerala.
Nikhil, I have to
Damn.
ask you a question. If you could not, or if you weren't available and couldn't make the show, like you couldn't host it, who would be like the next option? Like who would they look to like to host it?
I always believe that
Because
nobody is indispensable. यार बहुत सारे लोग हैं host करने के लिए तो MTV में इतने सारे लोग हैं.
I feel so too, but I feel like if there are two subsequent shows happening and if Ranvija is hosting one show and you're hosting one show, it's just that much better. It just makes sense. Like, it fits for most of us and like anybody else hosting the show. I'm not saying nobody else could do it. A lot of people could do it, but like it feels natural when the
I
two of you
believe
are like, take the
so. I'll tell you in this case, if I may pat myself on the back a little bit, I think
yeah.
having more heads working on the show since it was so in its infancy helped.
Yeah.
So it wasn't just so Debbie had her inputs, Manisha had her inputs, Tarun had his
Okay.
inputs, the creative team had their inputs, I had my inputs. So having people with a little more experience definitely helped because the show was so new. Once things are set in place, then you have more options of hosting. It is easy. Hosting it is like मैं जानता हूँ कि इसके आगे मेरे को क्या बोलना है, ये टास्क का ब्रीफिंग है, मेरे को ये बोलना है, वो बोलना है, एलिमिनेशन ये है, कैमरा के सामने खड़े हो जाओ
Yeah.
और बोल दो. That is the easy part. But figuring things out on the go with the resources that we had available, I think having a little more experience over there definitely helped the team.
Yeah.
And we also had very experienced people working on the show as well. People who'd done a lot of other stuff, so they were also very creative. The arts team, the guys who do the challenges and the tasks, the
There was
adventure
a guy,
team. These
the
are all
challenge.
people that were used to working with very little resources.
There was a
Yeah.
guy
Yeah.
that was designing, like he was the challenge designer, I think task designer. He was like part of army or something.
Huh?
Remember that guy, the main
Who
guy
on
that the tasks.
I'm not sure. We have a lot of people. There was
I
one
remember
gentleman who was
some.
part of a.
I spoke to him. He was like,
Yes,
I don't
Yazdi,
know what he.
Yazdi, Yazdi.
No. Task designer. One of the main guys. He wore like he covered his face during
I
the
think I,
desert days,
Oh,
and he was
yeah.
like,
Long hair guy, na?
I'm shit with names. I'm really bad with
Yeah.
names. But I think he's also
I also
part of
don't
a high
remember his
altitude
name.
search and rescue team as well.
he's a skilled like individual. Like he's very skilled. Like I spoke to him and I could
Yeah.
tell
Yes.
he knew.
Because
Oh.
every time somebody needed some, even first aid treatment, he would know exactly what to do because he was part of his training is high altitude search and rescue.
Yeah.
Very
Very
sort
Oh.
of
Yeah.
sorted in his head about how to approach different tasks, different challenges, what the risks involved are, what the dangers are, so on and so forth.
So Kevin, you've been, you watched a couple of episodes of Wild Villa. Who do you think is playing a really good game? Like among the guys, like who do you think is like, playing his smart game
Like,
on the board?
Kevin is like,
I-
bro, I'm not there, so nobody's really playing a good game.
No, I think Piyush. But no, he also said one thing. Like, as soon as one guy comes from Splitsvilla, we'll gang
Yeah,
up on
we
him.
gang up.
What if I come to Wild Villa? How will you gang up?
We'll have to wait and see. How will you gang?
No, but Piyush, I feel like Piyush gets a lot of heat because he does what he wants to do. I don't think that's typically a wrong thing to do. Like if you feel like you want to perform somebody else and if you just want to switch and perform, I think he has the liberty to do that. But then he's getting this whole term where, oh, flipper. I like how he's taking it. He's taking it in full stride. He's like, I don't give a shit. There's somebody new coming in. I want to perform with them. Like, I like that. I like that attitude.
What is the objective? मकसद क्या है? मकसद ये है कि मुझे वाइल्ड विला छोड़ के स्प्लिट्सविला जाना है. And
Yeah,
when you
man.
do it, you just do it by defeating everybody else around you. It's very simple. You just have to beat everybody else. तो अगर आपको सबको हराना है, तो आप अपना सबसे अच्छा वाला पार्टनर चूज करो. Whoever gives you the best chances of winning. और जाके जीतो.
Very true.
और छोड़ो वाइल्ड विला और जाओ स्प्लिट्सविला. Simple सी बात है. Nothing wrong in that.
And we have, we also have an I could call him an ex-wild villain and an ex-Spitz villain. I'm talking about Devashish. I mean, I feel like that guy would have, I mean,
What
coming
I
to
said.
Switzerland and then coming back, he would have like he should have some different kind of fire in him. Like, screw this. I want to go back to Switzerland. I deserve the best.
He is a very nice guy as well. Like,
He's
he's
a
really
nice
good.
guy, but everybody had that fire. Everybody wanted to just get out of here and go to splits.
That's the
Everybody
whole.
had that,
Yeah.
but there were only that
But
many opportunities, that many chances.
do you guys think that because Devashish went and came back, that the other boys are more hungrier for it, because they've
Yes
not
and
been
no.
to
Like
Switzerland.
for Arjun was like, कम से कम वो जाके तो आया, मैंने देखा नहीं.
Yes, Arjun was
Yeah,
mad.
like,
He
Exactly,
was
Fuck, man,
going like
I just want to
crazy.
get there.
exactly. Arjun
Getting there and
already
winning
said it. I
Switzerland
think
is the next
I
step, but
think he
just
said
getting
it.
there, they
I
had that.
think
He used to
yeah,
be
I think Arjun said
frustrated,
it in one of the
like,
VDs also.
yeah,
Samriddhi, you know about it. Some of the girls who hadn't been there, you've had conversations with them.
yeah.
What did they have to say about going to Splitsvilla?
So I'll tell you, to be very honest, I really thought that Janvi wanted to go because obviously she was like really looking forward to be with Gary. And Asma she was like, she's enjoying Wild Villa and she doesn't want to go back to Splitsvilla. So that was her. And Arjun was one of the guys who was like, he used to be frustrated all the time. He used to be like, I just want to go. I don't care about anybody. I can even, flip and stuff if I have to. And he used to be like really crazy.
We saw quite a bit of that, and there's Agriya, of course, who's holding a torch to Arjun.
Yeah.
Actually, Trev, I'm gonna kick you off and see if you can add Agriya. Just say bye.
Done.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
I'm
Bye,
gonna see if you
guys.
can add Agriya
Wait,
because
wait, wait.
Agriya was the
Honestly,
one.
wait.
Hi.
Let Trev stay because I'm on 2%. I have to
Okay.
charge.
See you.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll leave.
Later, Kev.
Bye.
Good to have you back.
See you guys.
See you, Kevin.
Let me see if we can
Okay,
get
see you guys.
Agriya on the line because she was like,
There was this situation where, like, the first time I spoke to Arjun, he was like, like, he did not make it clear that he was into her. But later on, when I saw them together, like, all cuddly, and I was like, this guy told me that he's not into her, and how is he, like, so cuddly with her? I used to be like, the hell, what is going on?
I don't know what's going on over there because on the face of it, like,
I've also said this in my VD that एक अच्छी लड़की दिखी नहीं कि flip कर दिया. ऐसे कुछ तो I've said in my first take a VD. Yeah.
No, but I mean, Samriddhi, when you went to Wild Villa, I mean, you had an opportunity. Obviously, you were put in a position where you had power on the first day. I saw that episode as well.
Yeah.
So we have Rashmi in the comments, Nikhil. If you want to add Rashmi, I think Rashmi is here right now.
I'm just
Yeah.
trying to
So
see
Samriddhi,
if you can get the
Wild
flipping
Villains,
guy,
right?
Arjun, to come in and
We
just
can even get you can even
Arjun
get
had a secret
Azma.
crush on Samriddhi. That's what Azma is saying.
Sorry, what?
Azma is saying
Azma has
Arjun
commented.
had a secret crush on Samriddhi.
Asma had a secret crush on me.
Azma saying that Arjun had a secret crush on you.
Oh yeah, yeah, I felt that a little bit.
Okay, yeah. So my question was,
You did?
Samriddhi, when you entered
Yeah,
there,
obviously.
Why
Like,
did I know anything about this? Like what?
so I'll tell you why. So suppose that this guy in front of me, he's not being so sure about the girl he's actually like looking forward to. He was like so casual about it, and he used to be like, if I get a chance, we can play together. So I was like, okay, like he's ready to leave the girl for me. So obviously, so that's pretty obvious.
this is
Playing
good
the
for
game
TV.
and
This should
having
happen
a
on
secret crush are
TV.
two different things.
It will like probably.
I'm trying to add Rashmi.
Oh my God.
Rashmi can't be added for some reason.
We got
Hi,
Azma. We got
sure.
we have Dhruv also. Okay, Samriddhi, I wanted to ask you. My question was,
Yeah.
Oh,
hi, what's up?
How are you?
Good,
Very
good,
nice.
good. How
What
are you?
about
I've been the
you?
only person to get. Yeah. And
Oh, we lost her. We lost
I
her.
don't know. Hi,
You
how
wanted
are
to
you?
ask me something.
Yeah, I was asking you when you entered Wild Villa. I mean, you obviously were in a position of power, and then you met all the guys and all. Who did you think was like the ideal guy for you to compete with, or like to go ahead within the competition?
I'm
So
sorry, something happened with my phone. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
it's all right. It's all right.
Somebody is
I'll
about to
answer
answer a
that.
question.
Wait, hold
Samriti,
on.
what's the answer to the question?
What did
Yeah.
you ask?
No, Trevon just asked you a question. What's the answer to the question?
What
He
did you
asked
ask?
me a
What
question,
was the
right?
question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Samruddhi,
So
go ahead.
Rashmi, he just asked me a question. I'm just gonna answer that. Okay. So I really thought that Piyush would be, because Devashish was like pretty neutral, and Arjun was clearly with Agriya. So I was like, I didn't want to be like the third person getting in between them. So I was like, if I have to play this, like Piyush is like one of the options, because he was also
But the
like
thing
pretty
is,
smart.
this is my logic. This is my logic. We were in Splitsvilla, okay?
Yeah.
Devashish beat Arjun and Piyush and came to Splitsvilla. Why didn't you consider Devashish, knowing
I'll
that
tell
he
you
was
why.
stronger, like, you know?
He is definitely very strong, but also I observed one thing about Piyush was that he could understand what the other person is up to, like he is smart. Apart from everything, apart from strength, apart from every other aspect, he was really
You
smart. Like
have
he could
just
just
called Devashish not smart.
no, he is also
Poor
smart.
guy.
I tell you, Devashish was more of power and Piyush was more of brains. Do you get it?
Okay. If
Yeah,
that
don't do
softens
that
the
to
blow a
me,
little bit,
Nikhil.
Devashish, I mean, between you and me, both, Devashish, I think
Love
you're
you,
very
you know
smart.
that.
No, but I see. I felt like, in a way, I'm sure Piyush is smart and all, but with such little people in Wild Villa,
Yeah.
it barely was a game of thinking. It was more a game of performing. Like, you
No, no,
perform,
no.
you go to
This
No,
is
Splitsvilla.
you're
something
wrong.
that you cannot
You're
say.
wrong.
Because Wild Villa
Okay.
Yeah.
was so unpredictable. Like, 1 minute I'm thinking that what if there's some task tomorrow that might challenge my power? But it used to be totally different. Like, they used to just, just keep a task that had like a lot of relaxation. And then the next day, there was something that was coming up with, your intellectual stuff. So it was like not just
Okay.
power at
It's
all.
like how you feed. It's like how you feed a chicken just before you kill it, like to eat it. Like, you give them one day to
Very
Yeah,
accurate,
relax.
actually.
yeah,
Very
yeah.
accurate. We would do stuff
Like
to
have
relax
have a
people
nice.
before we kind of drop the bombshell on them. Very true. Rashmi, do you have something to say
Very
about that?
true.
Rashmi, did you enjoy your time in Wild Villa?
Oh my god, I can't tell you guys, it was so different. I mean, I've been watching Splitsvilla, but Wild Villa was so different. As Samriti said,
Rashmi,
unpredictable. We don't know what's gonna happen next.
Yeah.
It
I
was
saw
so
your jour-
different.
I saw your journey on Wild Villa. I wanted to ask you if there was one thing you could change, like you could go back and change, and you could do differently, so that maybe you could last a little longer in Wild Villa. What would that be? Like, what would you do differently?
I think I wouldn't have put Ria into the elimination zone. Yeah. No.
But how would
Yeah.
that change? Wait, yeah. You put Ria, and I think
Ria was the
Devashish and
one.
Ria were in.
Yeah, they came first and
Yeah.
second. I
Okay.
think I chose my friends. I shouldn't have done that. I think I should have chosen someone else. I
Yeah.
think I might would have or would have been in the game. That's what I think.
So if I want to put you on the spot, like if not Ria, who would you have put
Oh,
in the
don't do
elimination?
that. Don't do that. No.
He just did. Answer the question. He just did.
It's much easier now that you're out. I mean, there's nobody can hold you anything against you. I mean,
See,
it's fun to
just
know
for
how
the
you would
game's
think.
sake. Okay,
Yeah,
just for
yeah.
the game's sake, if I think I would have taken Azma's name.
Ooh.
But
No,
one
I
thing
love
I'd like
her.
to say
Trust
is,
me, she's very nice.
The
But
follow-up question is why Azma?
okay, so
If you're going to throw her under the bus, do it properly.
Yeah.
I think I think in the elimination task I would have beaten her. Like the whole challenge. I think I would have come second, third, or first maybe. I don't know,
yeah,
but yeah.
रश्मि मैंने आप सबको कितने बार बताया था कि अगर आपको स्प्लिट्सविला जाना है तो आपको क्या करना है सिर्फ एक दूसरों को हराना है
I
That's
know,
it.
right?
You just have to defeat the people around you. So play to win.
I know,
Always
right?
play to win.
But if correct me
Exactly,
if I'm
exactly
wrong,
can be wrong.
correct me if I'm wrong. Wasn't Azma the one that really cried when you got eliminated?
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's what
Damn.
I'm saying. The game's over, but like game wise, I would have. The reason I didn't take Azma's name because we were good friends, So Yeah.
I mean, I think some part of you was like, you know what, Ria's already been to Splitsvilla, and like the rest of us haven't. So I'm just gonna put Ria in the elimination zone.
Trevon,
Like, you
Trevon.
know,
And
yeah,
plus,
yeah,
Like how Shivam and Kevin were like the the life of Splitsvilla. Asma was
yeah.
the life of Wild Villa.
life
Like
of
she
Wild
was,
Villa. Exactly.
yeah, because of her, Wild Villa was so wild. Like she was just
Exactly.
so good.
I would.
No,
Well,
she just brought an element of I think unpredictability with Asma.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
think
And she was so unpredictable. The
let me
first
put
day
it this
she
way.
came,
From a contestant's point of view, if all the contestants at Wild Villa were hot and sweet sauce, Asma was Tabasco.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
But it
the
was,
very first day she came and she asked Nikhil sir, will you be my ideal match? And we all were like, wow.
yeah,
You know when
she used to be like, she used to like him a
But
lot.
you know
It was pretty
Rashmi,
miserable.
when I asked you what is the one thing you would change about your journey in Wild Villa, I honestly thought you would talk about Piyush and like how you would not have paired up with him, so you could avoid all that. Like I mean, you could have upfront like maybe asked Arjun or Devshish to pair up with you instead, and there would have been a lot less drama with the whole
Drama.
him leaving you and like going for Janvi and like leaving you alone. I mean, I
Yeah.
thought you would change that, like to some extent, because if you go to see, I felt like that was your downfall when when Piyush like
Yes. That
left you
was.
for Janvi. A lot of the tasks you were like left alone, like, and you were like performing to like survive or maybe help somebody and all. So I feel like in your case, you and Devashish would have made like a good pair. I don't know why, it's just me, but
See, I'll tell you what happened. Arjun was already with Agriya, and Agriya was a very good friend since day one. And Devashish and me had our own differences, and I wanted to clear that when we had this challenge, baby, I got your back, but he didn't choose me. He chose Asma over me, and I was like, if you don't want to clear the differences, why would I want to be? So the whole jazz happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
Trevon, you're getting
yeah.
a lot of compliments for the fact that you're chatting more on this live than you've done in the entire season of Splitsvilla.
Nikhil, that's not the only time. Like literally all my
That
live
was
sessions.
hard.
Literally
Oh
all my
my
live
god.
sessions, I'm more me in my live sessions than I am on the show. Like
No, but
Yeah.
everybody is like your live sessions
I
are
do
more
want to say this.
entertaining.
I
Also,
do want
your
to say this
hair,
about.
just by the way.
I do want to say this about Rashmi is that her choice of partner was not what got her eliminated from Wild Villa, and she's right when she
Yes.
said कि अगर मैंने रिया को नहीं डाला होता ना, her choice of opponent was what actually mattered in the end.
Exactly. And the reason
Okay.
I took Asma's name because you asked me what got you eliminated, what you could have survived for long. The reason I took her name, no other reason. Yeah.
Yeah. You were pretty like good friends with her though.
I am. I'm still good friends, and I mean, the only like if the show's over
Oh wait,
and
I have to like inside joke. They're all good friends with each other till they watch each other's VDs.
Yeah.
And then they're like,
Yeah.
how could you say this about me? How could you say this about me?
I
I
swear
thought
that
we were
happens
friends.
so often.
exactly.
Oh man.
Trust me, Nikhil sir, on point. I see on my own friends demotivating me, bringing me down, and I was like, dude, why were you so nice to me on my face? And look at you on your week. I
It just
swear,
breaks
such
your heart, man. Oh god.
I know, very bad. I wasn't
But
expecting it.
I feel like that's the beauty of the VDs, like, don't show
Trevon,
us what they're
VDs are,
saying.
listen now.
by the
Trevon.
way, not to
Yeah,
compare,
continue.
but Wild Villa VDs are way better than Splitsvilla VDs.
Yes.
Of course,
I
of course.
agree.
I would
I
agree.
agree.
I would agree. I would
True,
agree.
true.
That's the only thing that I can compare because on Wild Villa you can say whatever you want.
You could, yeah, exactly. Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly, exactly.
Plus,
Like Rashmi, half the time Rashmi is like, what the fuck? Like, and I'm just like, man, this is so much fun. Like, get on the camera and say what the hell you want, and nobody's gonna bleep
Yeah,
anything.
man. And it was like a relief that nobody's gonna watch you on national television. So you were so much like, it was easy, It was just so easy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
listen, guys, I got to call timeout over here because we've gone over the hour, and I try and keep all the live sessions to an hour. Thank you so much
Perfect.
for being a part of the live. Rashmi, thank you for coming in.
Thank you
Sounds
so
good.
much,
Sabrina and
Nikhil
Trevon,
sir.
thanks a lot. Also, big shout out to
Thanks for
Sapna
having
and
us, Nikhil.
Kevin and Piyush for
Thank
joining
you,
us.
sir.
Thank you so much
Agri
for
and
having
Arjun,
us.
we try to add you as well. That would have added more spice to the show. Maybe we'll do another one
Definitely.
soon and get their perspective. all of you, don't forget to watch Splitsvilla and Wild Villa this weekend. I'm not sure what's happening on Splitsvilla, but on Wild Villa, it's going to be the turn of the girls to massage the boys.
Yes,
And
guys,
the
go
girls
watch
to not
it.
be nice. So that's going to be very interesting. And don't
Watch
forget
us
to
be
follow
brutal.
all the contestants on social media. Follow them
Samruddhi,
on
don't get too
Instagram,
touchy in the next
Facebook,
episode.
Twitter, Snapchat.
You stop proposing, Arushi.
Yeah. Samruddhi, don't get too touchy in the next episode. Yeah.
You stop proposing, girls. I hate you. Yeah.
Get a room.
Bye, guys.
Get a
Thanks for having me, Nikhil.
Thank you so
Thanks
much
for having us.
sir.
Bye.
Thank
See you, Nikhil. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care. All of you. Bye.
Bye.